All right, here we are at Johnathan Dickinson State Park in Hobe Sound, just north of Palm Beach, Florida. And I think I found the easy green loop. I think the lady at the guard gate was having fun with me and sent me to the black course. And I tried it and I wiped out within about 2 minutes. So I'm glad I had the lack of pride to turn around and find this. This looks much more my speed. Just an amazing park here. Many off-road mountain bike trails. Oh, hey, there goes the new train. That thing is hauling. Wow. Brightline. It's the new somewhat bullet train from Orlando to Miami. Okay. Green to the left. Okay. Wrong way, do not enter. Really soft sugar sand. Lucky there. Hey, Mr. Turtle. Give him a picture here. Big old gopher turtle. We're gonna go around you, buddy. I see no bike trails here. Not feeling this. What do you say, Mr. Turtle? He says we're crazy. Oh, that is black. Good Lord. And this is sugar. Uphill sugar. Alright, I'm pedaling hard. Ooh. Putting that motor to the test now. Sorry. There's a show off. Oh, I'm glad I didn't go the other way. Oh my God, look at this. What the heck? I don't know if my bike can do this. I'm gonna walk that. Got some steps. Oh, yeah, we caught the ground. I know we can't do this. Oh. I don't know what I've gotten into here. I'm going to pretend I know what I'm doing. I guess that way. Well, definitely my first time ever doing a real single trail. Double hump. Got a big elevation coming up there. Cranking on those pedals. hear somebody coming. Get out of your way.
All right, you're good. How you doing?
You good, thanks.
Beautiful day, huh?
And it couldn't be nicer.
Yeah, nice overcast layer.
Oh, yeah. Jump. Helmet required. Oh, no. Oh, okay, we can bypass this. Wow. Or maybe not. Glad I heard that guy coming. Oh, don't tell me wrong turn. Thank goodness for brakes. Just checking out my all trails there from it. Boy, this is tight. I'm off the green. I'm in a snake pit. Pumping and pumping uphill. Don't like this. Oh, God.
Yep, still tortoise in the
Right?
it's that same old story.
It's my first time here, and I don't know what I've gotten into.
Really?
Yeah, I guess I'm on the right easy trail.
Yeah, this is pretty technical. Here,
I'm starting to feel. Oh, is it? I got off a green somehow.
Yeah, I
Uh-oh.
think this one's in the blue.
Ah,
If you cross here,
yeah.
that goes into a pretty hardcore blue.
No.
And then it gets, and the backside of it, unfortunately, it gets into a bunch of ruts. Roots.
Yeah. Huh.
That thing will handle anything, though, won't it?
Yeah, but I'm not that good at it, so I know my limitations.
I think if you go, we'll end up right here on the road.
Okay.
Take the road, and then it feeds back into some green.
Oh, okay. So I can catch the road here pretty soon, you think?
We're about there.
Okay. Are you heading that way?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to follow you then. I can't keep
go
up
left.
with you,
I'm
though.
actually gonna do, all right,
Well,
man.
thanks for the tips.
Yeah,
I'm going
sure.
to follow you to the road.
Yeah, man.
Or, well, try to. Holy shit. I'm not sure what to do here. I don't like any of these options, so I'm going to walk it like a baby. I'm glad I didn't do that. This looks challenging. Oh, crap. See, this is not cool. Oh, my God. All right, here's the road. See that crap about the green? I don't believe a word of it. There. More my speed right here. We'll explore the park from asphalt. Gigantic man-eating alligators. Enjoy yourself. Oh, they're really camping. Check that out. That's too cool. Scary looking old building on the left there. Must be the mental ward for people who try to take e-bikes down the black trails. Ranger residence, I hope not. I don't think anybody living there. That building's only good for one thing, and that's ghosts. Nice open trail there. Ready. Yeah, let's stop if I can find a little, gotta be a little picnic area somewhere around here. Oh, nice, big downhill. Let's slow down a little. Definitely worked out the brakes more than ever before. I always talk about how I don't use brakes often in my neighborhood rides and on my paved trails, but a little off-road adventure, I sure use the heck out of them. A nice observation tower. I don't know if we can see that, hopefully. Hey, and there's a little shaded area. We're just stopping to get a drink. The kind of trail I'm talking about right there. We're gonna hop on that bad boy. I hope bikes are allowed. So I'm going to need to take a little break up here, have some more of that amazing Publix iced tea, and yeah, do a little turn around here. I'm going to cut the video to rest the camera since we're going right back where we were. We'll be back maybe with a conclusion to our adventure today. All right, we are working our way back to the parking lot. We're just about there. And I'm just taking a quick pedal break. I've pedaled the entire time, except a couple of hills. But the old zebra will take me up to 25 miles an hour, carrying a big load. On half a battery, we're at 18 miles. Back of the lot. I'm going to slow it down. It's been a fun day, and we'll definitely be back very soon. See the truck from there. Thanks for watching, and happy trails until next time.